Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a product that has been catching attention in the supplement market, Probiosin Plus. I've tested the product for a few weeks, and I'm here to share my experience and opinions with you. What is Probiosin Plus? To begin with, Probiosin Plus is a dietary supplement designed to promote digestive health and balance intestinal flora. It is formulated with a combination of natural ingredients aimed at improving not only digestion but also other aspects of health. Benefits of Probiosin Plus. Let's discuss the benefits that Probiosin Plus can offer. Firstly, it is believed that this supplement may contribute to the improvement of gastrointestinal health, aiding in digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, some users report a significant reduction in bloating and abdominal discomfort after regular use of Probiosin Plus. Ingredients of Probiosin Plus. Now, let's take a look at the ingredients that make up Probiosin Plus. This supplement contains a blend of probiotics, fibers, and other natural components, such as Garcinia cambogia fruit extract, green tea leaf extract, prickly pear extract, papain from papaya extract, black pepper fruit extract, chromium, etc. This combination was chosen to promote a healthy and balanced intestinal environment. Who is Probiosin Plus for? Probiosin Plus is recommended for people looking to improve their digestive health, address bloating issues, or simply maintain a healthy balance in intestinal flora. It is a supplement that can be incorporated into various lifestyles and diets. Who the product is not recommended for. However, it's important to note that, like any supplement, Probiosin Plus may not be suitable for everyone. If you have a specific medical condition or are pregnant, it's always advisable to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation. Now, an important warning: if you decide to try Probiosin Plus, I strongly recommend acquiring the product only from the official website. This ensures that you are receiving a genuine product, with quality assurance, and avoids potential frauds or counterfeit products. So, folks, if you're interested in trying Probiosin Plus and reaping the benefits I mentioned, check out the link in the description below. There, you'll find more information about the product, testimonials from other users, and, of course, the secure purchasing option on the official website. Don't forget to leave your comments sharing your experiences or questions. I hope you enjoyed today's review. Subscribe to the channel for more product reviews and health tips. Until next time.